Hi, welcome on Premium Sourcing Tools. In this video, I will explain you how to complete your exhibitor area. To make sure you don't forget anything and to be well prepared for your participation on the trade show, you can check the key dates. So you will find the deadlines for your communication tools, but also for your technical orders. So to complete your pack and to realize your technical orders, you have to click here and to access to your personal space. Your communication. If you want to check your company presentation, as it will be on the website, you can consult it just here. And you can edit your presentation if you want, when you want, just here. Don't forget to tell us if you will be present or not on the exhibition. So you can change your company description, your company logo, your links, and so on. You can also tell us if you will be or not on the speed demo animation. This animation is free and it will take place on the trade show. This is the opportunity for you to present your company, but also your product of your choice. And this will be filmed and broadcasted after in replay on the Premium Sourcing platform. Don't forget to complete your product sheets. You can add all products you want just here. And you can also add your key product. This product will be on a different part, and also it will be on the CMAG and on the guide for the visitors. Your media kit. As an exhibitor, we offer you some communication tools for free. So first, of course, there is a key products catalog, but also a personalized emailing. So you just have to send us your informations like your logo, an image, a teaser, and a text, and we will create you your emailing, and it will be ready to be sent to your database. We also propose you to send you paper invitations for your customers and your prospects. You can download your banners for your communication, but also the logo of Premium Sourcing. If you want to add some collaborators, you just have to click here. Here, you will access to the list of contacts. The people who clicked on your product and also people who wanted to be in contact with you. From 18 August, you will be able to contact people by messaging. And here you can find your appointments for the 2 days of Premium Sourcing Trade Show. To finish, if you want, you can create your own personal program of conferences. If you have any question, feel free to contact us.